Aloha pumeana kako. Iano o ASMR Hawaiian. I haven't made a video in a long time, and I think it's time to start making more videos for Hawaiian ASMR. It's been about 2 years since my last video, and ever since my last video I haven't seen much Hawaiian ASMR content on YouTube, so I saw that and it made me really sad, because one, I feel like Hawaiian ASMR, Hawaiian language in general, is a beautiful language, and I think it would be a huge opportunity for people to make very beautiful ASMR videos, more well thought out than the videos that I'm able to make as of right now. And two, I just feel like all this time I just feel like I could have made more videos if I just stuck to it, but I think just realizing that just makes me want to push forward and just start doing these videos again and do them as long as I can. So, without further ado, I just had this really great idea to start reading from the Hawaiian Bible, or as we call it in Hawaiian, Baibala. And I don't know if anyone's going to really listen to it, but I think it would be at least a personal benefit, if anything, because I've been meaning to get back into reading my Bible, and what better way to read it in Hawaiian. And don't worry, I'm also going to read the English translation so that people can understand what I'm reading. So without further ado, I don't want to waste any more time. I am starting from the first verse of Kubuke Mua Amose Ikapaia Kinoi. So here's the first verse. Ikinoi Anakia Kua Ikalani Ame Kahunua. Genesis 1:1 NIV. In the beginning, God created the heavens and the earth. E ano ole kaunua ua o lohe lohe. Now the earth was formless and empty. Amaluna no o kahonu kapuli. Darkness was over the surface of the deep. Ho'opunana ihola kauhane o keakua maluna o kawai. And the Spirit of God was hovering over the waters. Ihola keakula. I malamalama aua malamalama aela. And God said, "Let there be light," and there was light. Nana aela keakua I kama lama lama and he separated the light from the darkness. Kapamela kia kua I ka mālama he au a kapamai ho'i I ka poli he po a o ke ai me ke kakahiaka o ka la mua ia. God called the light day, and the darkness he called night. And there was evening, and there was morning the first day. Iola kia kua, ioli mawai na o nā vai I mea o aka awale I ke kahi vai me ke kahi vai. And God said, let there be a vault between the waters to separate water from water. Ana iola kia kua I ke oli a hoka awalea ela ia I ka vai malalo o ke oli me ka vai maluna o ke oli a pela I ono. So God made the vault and separated the water under the vault from the water above it, and it was so. Kapeiola kia kua I ke oli he lani a o ke aiahi a me ke kakahiaka o ka lua ia o ka la. God called the vault sky, and there was evening and there was morning the second day. Iola kia kua e wipuna vai malalo o ka lani I kahi ho'okahi I Ikea ai kahi malalo a pela I ono. And God said, let the water under the sky be gathered to one place, and let dry ground appear. And it was so. Kapaiola kia kua I kahi maloa he aina. Kapaiola oia I nā vai uipu I ai o nā moana. Anana ela kia kua o maika'i. God called the ground land, and the gathered waters he called seas. And God saw that it was good. Iola kia kua e ho'olu mai ka ono I ka mau'u. A me ka lau na hele e wana I ka ua. A me ka lau e wana o ima kona ano iho. I loko ona iho kona ua malona o ka unua a pele I ono. Then God said, let the land produce vegetation, seed-bearing plants and trees on the land that bear fruit with seed in it, according to their various kinds. And it was so. Ulu maila ka unu I ka mau'u. A me ka lau na ele e hua ana I ka ua ma kona ano iho. A me ka la'au e hua ana I ka ua I loko ana kona ua ma kona ano iho. Nana iola au I kia kua ua maika'i. The land produced vegetation, plants, bearing seed according to their kinds, and trees, bearing fruit with seed in it according to their kinds. God saw that it was good. O ke aiaia me ke kakahiaka o ke kolu ia o ka la. And there was evening and there was morning the third day. Okay, that's all I'm going to read. I know it's short, but I just want to make 10 minutes each time that I read. So I'm ending at Genesis 1:13.